Hello, my name is Walt Yates. I'm an independent consultant for companies marketing modeling and simulation technology for defense applications. I previously served as the Marine Corps' program manager for training systems prior to retiring from active duty in 2018. The intersection of the domains of training and contingency operations is called mission rehearsal. Mission rehearsals differ from generic training exercises because they are focused on a specific piece of known geography and a specific time at which an operation will be executed. To meet the highly demanding requirements to support realistic mission rehearsal, a simulation environment must provide very high fidelity terrain and man-made structure models combined with up-to-the-minute forecasts of atmospheric conditions that will constrain the execution of the mission. Geotypical terrain and weather does not provide the necessary fidelity for details such as lunar illumination, cloud cover, and line of sight across microterrain from the kneeling or prone position. Mission rehearsals require the most accurate simulation of visual and auditory cues for every member of the mission force. The impact of visual imagery and audio cues directly influences the decision-making process of individuals down to details such as where a soldier will place his foot for the next step in order to avoid making noise or maintain a solid footing. Forward deployed forces such as the U.S. Marine Corps' Marine Expeditionary Units must respond to emergent missions on a very short timeline, and they employ an abbreviated planning process called the Rapid Reaction Planning Process, or R2P2. Typical R2P2 missions include tactical recovery of aircraft and personnel when a plane goes down, or non-combatant evacuation operation when U.S. nationals or an ambassador and the embassy staff must be evacuated on short notice from a foreign country. Members of the mission force will in all likelihood never have seen or stood on the ground where they will be deployed or over which they will fly. The opportunity to visually rehearse the mission in a game engine environment can provide critical insight and understanding of the plan and provide competitive edge for mission success. Missions developed under the R2P2 process must launch within a matter of hours from the time the unit receives the warning order. In this very short amount of time, the intelligence officer must provide planning products to orient the mission force to the terrain and weather conditions in which they will execute the mission. Unreal Engine 4 has the capability for photorealistic renderings of microterrain and vegetation, down to the level of leaves and grass swaying in the breeze, and high-fidelity representations of volumetric clouds with the appropriate characteristics of translucence or opacity for the naked eye or for multispectral cameras. Unreal Engine 4 includes the ability to dynamically stream atmospheric data to accurately render clouds, smoke, and particle effects to create an accurate rendering of the most current environmental data in the area of operations. High-fidelity illumination models and real-time ray tracing give Unreal Engine the ability to render extremely realistic visual imagery that is photorealistic in reflectivity, emissivity, texture, and shape.